Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a return on Amazon. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. You can either do it in the Amazon app. You can see I'm on an iPhone. I can open up the Amazon app, or I could open up a web browser. If you're on an iPhone, Android, or a computer, you can go to Amazon.com. Now, in both instances, you'll see the profile button at the top right here. And then here is orders. I could hit see all. So that is on the website-based version, or you can go into an app, and instead of at the top right, you'll see that little person at the bottom left. And then at the top left there is orders. So after you've done that, it's the same on a phone or an app or a website, doesn't really matter. After you've done this, you can see all your orders. You have two different options. One is you can just scroll through this list and find the item that you started the return. Or an easier way is that you can just find your returns and hit see all. Now, after you've done that, this will show you all of your returns. In some instances, for instance, this charger block, I already returned, so I can't cancel it at this point. I've already sent this off to Amazon to get a return. I basically just dropped it off at Whole Foods. They scan that QR code, and I cannot cancel it at this point. I'm going to get a refund. Keep in mind, you can also not cancel an order or a refund if you've already gotten the replacement shipped to you. However, let's say in another instance, it's this one. I initiated this refund, but I haven't dropped it off yet. So I just want to cancel it. You can see I initiated it, but I haven't dropped it off. This is the key. Of course, once you drop it off, you can't cancel it. All you need to do from here is scroll down and you'll be able to see download or edit return. I can tap on the edit return button, and here you can see is cancel return. Now you can cancel a return, but you have another option just to wait and do nothing, because you'll be able to see it says, if I scroll up a little bit, I have to return it by February 19th. Now, if I just never return that item, then Amazon just doesn't do anything. They'll still charge me for that item, and it's essentially canceled automatically at that point. But if you wanted to manually do it, just hit edit return and hit cancel return. Now, you can see cancel this return if you need to make changes or you no longer wish to return this product, and hit cancel return. This is also helpful if you accidentally tapped and you said, hey, I wanted to return this at Whole Foods, but then you change your mind and you actually wanted to return it at Staples or UPS. You can always cancel that return, but then you can always choose to initiate a new return. You can see I can tap on it again and choose an item to return and just go through that process again. If I didn't necessarily do it correctly, maybe you wanted initially to get store credit, but you wanted to cancel that and then just get a refund to your credit card, you can always just cancel it and go through that process. After you've done that entire process, you'll be able to go back to your orders here. And once you go to your orders and refresh everything, you'll be able to scroll down to that order and you'll be able to see that it no longer has a return on it. There it is. You'll be able to see if I tap on it, it says it was delivered. And now it says return or replace, but it doesn't have a current return label associated with it. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.